everyone, my name is Arnav. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming something different from what I film usually. And today I am going to be filming a November favorites video. What is going to happen in this video exactly? I am going to be sharing some of my things that I enjoyed the most using in the month of November. Pretty straightforward. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. My first category is going to be entertainment. In November, there were quite a lot of holidays because of Diwali and a lot of festivals were there. So I binge watched a lot of shows, movies and videos on Netflix and on YouTube. Starting off, I would say my favorite singer of the month is going to be Billie Eilish. This is because she released her new music video, Therefore I Am, in the month of November, and it was such a bob, and it had to go on the top of my favorites list. Second for my movie is going to be Princess Switch Switched Again. For the people who watched Princess Switch 1, they will definitely understand what happened in Princess Switch 2. It was such a nice movie and like the little bit of twists over there, and it was PG rated also, so it is a family friendly movie and it is great to enjoy in the month of December because it's just Christmas going on right now. Christmas month. So third of all, I'm going to say my favorite YouTuber is going to be Brad Mondo. If you don't know who he is, then let me tell you. He is a pro hairdresser and he basically reacts to people burning off their hair by bleaching or coloring it. My favorite video by him is going to be testing 5-minute craft hair hacks, and it was so funny because 5-minute craft was just trolling him by giving some dumb hack ideas. Second criteria is going to be food. The thing is that I am actually a very picky eater, but I love to eat food. It's quite a weird combination, but yeah. So my favorite thing in the month of November that I had was my green kada. I always used to think that green kada was supposed to be bitter and it would taste all weird, but no, this one was actually a recipe which my sister made for me because I caught a cold, and it helped me out so much, and my cold was gone in like 2 to 3 days only. And the best thing was that it was made out of ingredients that was so easily available at our home, and we didn't have to buy anything from outside. So if you want the recipe for it, then you can just ask me down in the comments if they are open, because sometimes they are and they aren't. It's quite confusing and I can't help it. The next thing is going to be my pancake mix. Let me just get it. Yeah, this is my Betty Crocker pancake mix in the flavor buttermilk. It is so good. I actually used to have pancakes with homemade batter and all, but they were not that good. But Betty Crocker's one were actually really nice, and they took my pancake eating level to another level only. And it is so easy and nutritious also. Easy because you just need to add water, and it can make 22 to 24 pancakes. That is a steal. This is a steal over here. And I recommend you guys having it for breakfast because it's quite nutritious if you have it with a couple of fruits and a smoothie on the side. My next thing is going to be spring rolls. Yeah, I did not have spring rolls before this because I thought they had too many vegetables in them and I just wouldn't like them. Picky eater. But now that I finally tried them out, they are so nice, delicious and tasty, like all the adjectives in the world. They're so crispy on the outside and delicious on the inside. I had my spring rolls from Vyapar Kendra and they're just like awesome, like A1. My third category is going to be productivity. For productivity, in the month of November, I read a couple of books, and there are 2 books which I really liked. One of them is going to be Atomic Habits. This is written by the author James Clear, and in this book he basically tells us about how we can change our character and become a better person by changing our regular habits and developing them like 1% at a time or in one day. And it is really nice. I recommend to all the people out there, even if you're not like into those types of books, this is actually really nice and it is very inspirational also. I haven't read it completely, but so far or whatever I've read, it's really nice and I recommend to everyone out there. Second of all, I'm going to say is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Yeah, I love Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I read a lot of them, but this was my favorite one, and I think this is one of the latest one. And yeah, it was so funny, and I also recommend it to all the people out there. My third thing is going to be my ukulele. Yeah, I actually bought this in the month of August, but I have been enjoying it a lot using in the previous month because I would just love learning more chords and some songs and playing them in front of my family. The next thing is going to be clothing, and for clothing I only have one thing, but I love it because it is my BTS hoodie. It is so cute. I got it as a gift for Dhanteras in the month of November only, of course, and it is so nice and soft on the inside and so comfortable, and you can pair it with literally anything. My last but not the least category, I think, is going to be home decor, and my first thing for that is going to be my BTS pillow. I also got this with my BTS pink hoodie as a gift for Dhanteras, and they just go really well put together sitting besides each other. So yeah. My second thing is going to be my candle holder. I'll just pull up a picture over here. Yeah, if you might recognize this from the previous video I made, which was about celebrating an eco-friendly Diwali. I really hope you celebrated one. So yeah, this is actually really nice. In the previous video I had it in red color, but then we switched it for another color, and I think I like this one way better. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked that video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to tell me any more videos if you want to see, because I'm really out of ideas right now. So only if the comments are open or not, because again they are quite confusing. So yeah, bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. Bye.